Hello guys, my name is Gamad and I'm going to, say something that maybe you already knew, is that I'm going to do another live stream because I really enjoyed it last time, so we're going to do it again. And this is some concept art, just really quickly created within 5 minutes or so. So it will look like something like this, because this art style is very easily to create and we're going to create a game within 5 hours. So there are a few things you need to know. This is going to be like how it will look like. So we're just going to watch a few different things. So at first, we just go to my channel and just say that you need to have a notification. That's not because I really want you there. Well, actually I want, but it's also because I don't know for sure if it's going to change at the last moment the time, because there can just be some personal stuff that's currently happening. So just do that to make sure you don't miss it. Then there's also something else, and it's a Trello, which means you can just exactly see what we're doing, what we're going to do. The link will be in the description, and it's just exactly on which time we're going to do what. Also, the main important thing about the stream is that I will talk to you guys. So this game is for me less important than the actual chit chat we are going to do with you guys. Then something more about the game. So we're just going towards our game design document, and this is something that is really very simple made, so it's not a really long game design development document. This is just to make sure that I just know exactly what needs to be happening. There's another game I'm going to be working on. This like the style a little bit. This is also like a little bit of the style of the levels, because they are going to be generated. And here's like the process that's going to happen. And this is just like, it will be something like this. The exact thing, we're just going to do that within the stream. We've got an hour and a half for that, because it's the most important thing about the game. And here is like how it will look like, the user interface from the in-game, and here is for the main menu. So we're just going to very quickly go through this, because it's not very important. It's just so you guys know what we're going to create. Here are some levels that, well, this is the concept art, so this is just an image from Google, where you see just an example of an island, and here's also one, and this is also one, and this is like really like the visuals I like, because it's very easily to create. Well, not this perfect, but something like this, because this was created within 5 minutes and already looks awesome. So the same for the character, that's also very easily done. And also there's some important things like the walking. We're just going to do that with some clouds by the feet, so the animation doesn't need to be perfect and things like that. And that's kind of like how the game will be. One last thing, and I don't know if I should say this, but I'm going to try to set up a Discord server so that it can be up to 3 other people at the same time just talking within the stream. So we can have like a little bit of, because it's going to be 5 hours long, so we can just talk and talk and talk for so long probably. And it's also more interesting to actually interact with you guys. And well, the chat is awesome. I think it's also awesome that just there will be at the same time maybe even 4 people just having a discussion about game development, because for me that's very interesting. I will learn a lot, you guys will learn a lot about it. So just put in your mic already. I will try to fix that. If it's not going to be fixed, I'm very sorry. That will be on a Discord server. This will also be used for other things, because I want to do more live streams and we're going to use that more often. So I really hope you guys will be there, and I just hope I will see you guys there. So till the live stream, bye!